Hey car gadgets lover! We're excited to have you on board as we embark on a journey through the latest automotive tech. Let's explore, learn, and upgrade together. Today I would like to tell you about the TrailMax roof rack, a tough and versatile addition to your SUV or truck designed for those who live for adventure. Typically measuring between 50 to 60 inches wide and 40 to 60 inches long, it's built from heavy-duty steel or aluminum with a corrosion-resistant powder coating, making it perfect for hauling everything from camping gear to rooftop tents with its 300 to 500-pound weight capacity. The aerodynamic shape reduces noise while driving, and the universal mounting system makes installation a breeze. With optional add-ons like kayak mounts or LED light bars, it's the ultimate accessory for those who love exploring the great outdoors. The E-Heelp electric car. Jack is a game-changer for anyone who needs a quick, hassle-free way to lift their vehicle, especially during roadside emergencies. With a lifting capacity of up to 5 tons, it can easily handle SUVs, trucks, and cars in under 2 minutes, making tire changes or undercarriage maintenance a breeze. Powered by your car's 12-volt outlet, it comes with a handy remote and even includes a tire inflator and LED light for added convenience. Portable, durable, and easy to use, it's the ultimate tool for drivers who value safety and efficiency. Meet the Unruly Defender Cargo Box, a rugged storage solution built for outdoor adventurers and overlanders who need extra space on the go. Measuring up to 60 inches long and crafted from durable high-density polyethylene, it's designed to withstand harsh conditions while keeping your gear safe. With a 300-pound capacity and weather-sealed protection, it securely holds everything from camping supplies to sports equipment. Easy to install and compatible with most roof racks, this cargo box is your reliable companion for any road trip or off-road adventure. The Lazer lamps. Linear 24 Elite is a powerhouse of an LED light bar designed to give off-road and motorsport drivers incredible visibility no matter the conditions. With 24 high-intensity LEDs pushing out 25,200 lumens, it lights up the road ahead with a daylight-like glow and provides a wide, long-distance beam with a 0.5 lux range up to 1,200 meters. At 21 inches in length, its sleek, aerodynamic design cuts through the wind while being tough enough to handle anything from dust storms to heavy rain. Plus, with dual-output e-boost technology, it's road legal when needed but ready to unleash full power when the adventure calls. This is the Mostool M6 Jumpstarter 3000A. It's your go-to tool when you need serious power on the road. With a 30,000 mAh battery and 3,000 A peak current, it can jumpstart everything from cars to heavy-duty trucks and even boats. It also doubles as a power bank, perfect for charging your devices while you're on the move. Compact and packed with safety features, it even includes an LED flashlight for emergencies, making it an essential companion for road trips or when you're caught in a pinch. Meet the Detroit wrecker Lil Herc 2.0, a powerful wheel lift system designed for heavy-duty towing and recovery. With a lift capacity of 5,000 pounds and a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds, it's perfect for towing everything from diesel trucks to larger vehicles. Built with a durable 3/8-inch tube thickness and enhanced stability through its twin hex pin system, it's crafted for long-lasting performance. Powered by a double-motor hydraulic pump, it ensures fast, efficient operation, making it an essential tool for professional towing companies and recovery teams. The Baseus Solar electric car mount is a cutting-edge solution for drivers who want both a secure phone holder and wireless charging powered by solar energy. With its high-efficiency solar panel, it keeps your phone charged during sunny drives while providing hands-free convenience. The mount features automatic clamping and 360-degree rotation for the perfect view, whether you're navigating or taking calls. It's compatible with smartphones ranging from 4.7 to 6.5 inches in size, making it ideal for most devices. And its eco-friendly design, paired with fast wireless charging, offers a sustainable, hassle-free driving experience. The Rouwinne dog car seat covers are designed to keep your car clean and your dog safe and comfortable during travel. Made from durable, waterproof 600D Oxford fabric, these covers protect your seats from mud, scratches, and pet hair, while the soft padding ensures a cozy ride for your dog. With a hammock-style design and built-in seatbelt openings, your pet stays secure, and the non-slip backing keeps the cover in place. Easy to install and clean, it's the perfect solution for pet owners who want to maintain their car's interior without sacrificing their dog's comfort. Today, I want to tell you about an incredible kit that transforms your pickup truck into a fully functional dump truck right at home. Whether you're at a construction site or handling projects at home, this kit boosts your truck's efficiency with a 4,000-pound payload capacity. In just 10 seconds, the hydraulics lift the bed to a 45-degree angle, and once installed, it looks so seamless, no one will even notice the change. The kit includes everything you need: hydraulic cylinder, pump, hoses, fittings, cut parts, wiring, and remote control, with multiple options to suit your needs, and it can even be transferred between trucks for long-term use. The Ullman Digital Diagnostic Mirror is a cutting-edge tool that brings modern technology to traditional inspections. With a high-definition LCD screen and built-in LED lights, it lets you see clearly into hard-to-reach areas like engine compartments or machinery. Its articulating mirror head offers full 360-degree rotation and ranges from 2 to 4 inches in diameter, giving you complete visibility in tight spaces. The extendable telescoping handle stretches up to 36 inches or more, allowing for better reach, while the camera function lets you capture images or videos for further analysis, making every inspection more efficient and precise. The Poraxy 12-volt car fan is a compact yet powerful solution designed to keep your vehicle cool during long drives or hot days. Plugging directly into your car's 12-volt outlet, it offers dual-speed settings to control airflow, quickly cooling the cabin when air conditioning isn't enough. With its 360-degree rotatable dual fan heads, each measuring 4 to 6 inches in diameter, you can direct the airflow exactly where you need it, and the quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your ride. Ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, or even boats, this fan is perfect for anyone seeking an affordable way to stay cool on the road. This is the MultiHeadche Rack. Pro is the ultimate accessory for truck owners who need both protection and functionality. Built from high-strength aluminum or powder-coated steel, it shields your rear window from shifting cargo while offering tie-down points and mounting options for lights or accessories. With the ability to accommodate up to 500 to 800 pounds, it's designed for serious hauling. Its low-profile design keeps your truck aerodynamic while adding a rugged, professional touch. Easy to install and compatible with most truck models, this rack is perfect for enhancing both the performance and appearance of your vehicle. I found something amazing: the Magic Turtle Miracle Sponge for cleaning windows. If you've ever struggled to clean the inside of your car's windshield, bending and straining your arms, this sponge makes it easy. The genius of the Magic Turtle is that it cleans both the inside and outside of the glass at the same time. While one side removes bugs and dirt from the outside, a high-quality microfiber on the other side polishes the glass from the inside, even removing bacteria. It's not just for cars either. It's perfect for cleaning glass shower enclosures at home. Thanks to its motor, the sponge evenly distributes pressure on both sides, making it effortless to use. The Magic Turtle is a must-have for anyone who wants spotless glass with minimal effort. The HitchMate Cargo Stabilizer Bar is the perfect solution for anyone who needs to keep their truck bed or SUV organized and secure during transit. Made from heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, it adjusts from 59 to 73 inches to fit various vehicle sizes. Its rubberized foot pads ensure a firm grip, while the ratcheting system locks everything in place, preventing cargo from shifting or causing damage. With the capacity to hold up to 500 pounds, this stabilizer bar is ideal for securing everything from tools to luggage, making your travels safer and more efficient. The Terra Pump. TRFA01 is a portable, battery-powered pump that makes transferring fuel and other liquids simple and mess-free. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it offers a flow rate of up to 2.5 gallons per minute, making it perfect for refueling vehicles, boats, lawnmowers, or even transferring water during camping trips. With a suction tube length of up to 35 inches and a 24-inch discharge hose, it easily reaches most containers. Its auto-stop sensor prevents spills by shutting off automatically when the container is full, while the one-touch button makes the operation effortless. Lightweight and portable, it's the ideal tool for anyone who values efficiency and convenience. The Dent Prevent magnetic car door. Protectors are the perfect solution for keeping your car safe from dings and scratches in crowded parking lots or tight spaces. Made from high-impact, weather-resistant rubber, they securely attach to your car's doors with non-scratch magnets and can be removed in seconds. These lightweight protectors provide excellent coverage, fitting most vehicles, and are built to withstand various weather conditions. If you want an easy way to maintain your car's appearance and avoid dents, these protectors offer a simple, effective solution. The One-Tack Safety Disc is a compact yet powerful emergency light designed to keep you safe in any situation where visibility is critical. Whether you're dealing with a roadside emergency, out on the water, or hiking in the wilderness, this disc provides 360-degree illumination with 15 high-intensity LEDs. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, it offers up to 30 to 40 hours of continuous use, with multiple lighting modes like flashing SOS and steady brightness. Built to withstand tough conditions, it's waterproof, crush-resistant, and visible from up to 5,000 feet, making it an essential tool for any safety-conscious individual. The Nuna Rev convertible car seat is a premium option designed to make travel safer and easier for parents and their little ones. With its unique 360-degree rotating base, it allows effortless transitions between rear-facing and forward-facing modes, while making it simple to get your child in and out of the car. Suitable for infants and toddlers from 5 to 40 pounds, it offers exceptional comfort with breathable merino wool fabric and 10 recline positions. The seat combines cutting-edge safety features like side impact protection and an anti-rebound bar, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The Viofo A139 Pro is a cutting-edge dash camera system designed to provide comprehensive protection for your vehicle with its 3-channel recording. Equipped with a 4K front camera, 1080-pixel interior, and rear cameras, it captures every angle in stunning detail, even in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced Sony Starvis sensor. The 360-degree coverage makes it perfect for capturing accidents, interior activity, and parking security. With built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and infrared night vision, the A139 Pro is ideal for drivers, including rideshare professionals who prioritize safety and reliable video evidence. The Bouncy GPS Car Tracker is a compact yet powerful tool designed to keep you connected to your vehicle at all times. Offering real-time GPS tracking, it updates every 15 seconds to show precise location, driving speed, and route history. Perfect for families, fleet managers, and teen driver monitoring, it provides detailed data on driving behavior and vehicle health. With a simple plug-and-play design, a low-cost monthly subscription, and an intuitive app, the Bouncy GPS Tracker makes vehicle tracking easy, affordable, and highly reliable. That's all for today, friends. Which car gadgets impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon.